Beautiful and latest crochet fruit earrings, like crochet fruit orange earrings with long leaf sticks with the leaf and different crochet fruit shapes. So I hope you like it. Different like lemon shape and orange shape and strawberry shape, different beautiful cherries and crochet hair earrings. So I hope you like it. Easy to carry, lovely crochet earrings, free pattern designs, and for beginners, and stylish latest ideas, floral earrings ideas for girls and women's fashion styling. Remember to be creative and experiment with different colors and pattern to make unique crochet earrings that match your style. And crochet earrings also make lovely gift for friend and family. Enjoy your crocheting, and I hope you like it my video. So guys, please see this video thoroughly and mention me comment section for your feedback.